So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the trending Twitter tags in any country. If you are from USA, you can get the tags of any other country that are trending over Twitter as well. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You can do the same steps on your smartphones as well. Now here, simply search this site, that is trends24.in. Just simply go to the site here. Uh, in this option where you're going to see worldwide, just simply tap over there, and here you can see you can select any country that you want. For example, if I want to check for let's say Britain, let's say London, and here gonna see, now it will tell me what's exactly trending around the London Twitter, and I can get the tags around that particular region that are trending. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.